Hi everyone! Today I'm sewing another quick and easy sew. I'm using a stretchy athletic knit to create a comfy pair of jogger pants. This is the Penelope Pants pattern by Sonia Estep Designs. There are two views for this pattern, a regular hemmed yoga pant and these tapered jogger pants with ankle cuffs. I hope you sew along with me. Let's get started. You will need 2 front pieces mirrored, 2 back pieces mirrored, 2 pocket bags and pocket linings mirrored, 1 waistband cut on the fold, and 2 ankle cuffs cut on the fold. With your back pants right sides together, pin your crotch curve. Sew or serge your crotch curve with a 1/4 inch seam allowance. Now with your front piece right side up, place your pocket along the pocket curve right sides together and clip. Sew or serge your pocket curve and do this for both pockets. Now that our pocket is attached, flip it to the other side and pin along the curve. Now using a zigzag stitch, a cover stitch, or a twin needle, top stitch your pocket opening with a 1/4 inch seam allowance. Now that we have attached both pockets, lay your pants right side up and draw your pocket out, also right side up, and lay your pocket bag on top of your pocket right sides together. Clip the curved edge. Doing this for both pockets, now take them to your machine and sew or serge your pocket bags to your pockets. I've gone ahead and clipped the sides and tops of my pockets to the pants, and I'm going to baste them both in place before we move forward. Now lay your front pieces right sides together, aligning your crotch curve, and pin. Serge or sew with a 1/4 inch seam allowance. Now we're ready to attach the front to the back. Clip your inseam and your side seams. Sew or serge your seams. Fold your waistband piece in half right sides together, matching the short edge, and clip. Sew or serge the short seam. Now that it's sewn, fold it in half wrong sides together and mark your 1/4 points along the raw edge. Also mark the 1/4 points at the top of your pants. With right sides together, clip your waistband to your pants, matching your 1/4 points. Take it to your machine and sew or serge your waistband. Prepare your cuffs in the same way you did your waistband. And once everything's quartered, match your ankle cuffs to the bottom of your pants, right sides together. Sew both cuffs and you're all done with your pants. Thank you so much for watching this sew along. Make sure you subscribe so you always know when a new video is available. I'll see you in the next sew along.